How to block someone on Snapchat. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're going to learn how we can block someone on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to block someone on Snapchat, all you have to do is open up the Snapchat app and you will see this type of interface. Then simply come to this little chat icon. So let's say there is a certain profile that you want to actually block, right? So you can long press on that profile, then simply go to manage friendship. Once you go to manage friendship, there you'll find an option called block, so you can tap on the block option. Other way you can do it is, if you don't find them from the chat list, go to your profile page and go to my friends, then search for the friend that you want to block over here. Then once you've done that, just tap on their profile, tap on the three dots option from the top right, tap on manage friendship and tap on block. So these are some of the ways you can actually block someone on Snapchat. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial and see you soon in the next video.